The biggest problem I see with videographers, new videographers, beginner videographers, is when they have a stabilizer, they automatically believe that because it's on a gimbal, because it's on a stabilizer, because it's in a cage, you're gonna get these steady shots. That is not how it works. Yes, you have to have a proper balance, you have to have it all rigged up properly on your stabilizer, but the main thing that you have to do is dance. Dance? Yes. Dance. Move as one with your stabilizer, with your camera. When it's on there and you have it all rigged up, if you have the handles, if you're using it with single-handedly, you have to move smoothly with the stabilizer. That is how you get stable shots. You cannot just jerk with your walk. You have to have a certain walk. You have to have a little swag with it. I use the lens as my third eye. I'm using the stabilizer as a tool to dance. Don't make the stabilizer move you. You move the stabilizer. Move as one unit. Because if you have the stabilizer in front of you and you're just moving it around and panning it and tilting it, that's not how you're gonna get steady shots. You're still gonna come back, upload all your footage, and see them post and be like, why am I still seeing bounces? Why am I still seeing jerks in my shots? It's because you're not dancing. Tip for today is dance. Dance with your stabilizer. And I promise you, steadier shots. For more tips, stick around.